how to print envelopes in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So did you know that you can create envelopes in Microsoft Word and print it? I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open up your Microsoft Word document and then you need to go to the mailings option in the ribbon bar, and then there on the left hand side you can see envelope. So just tap on it. You can choose the size, format, font according to your wish. Here in the delivery address you need to put in where you want to deliver this envelope to, or you can add electronic postage. So you'll need to install electronic postage software before you can use this feature. And then you can put in return address, and then you can tap on preview, and then you can put in the envelope options. You can put in the size, you can put in the font, you can change the font for headings for your main body. You can change the font color. You can choose if you want underline or not. You can put in effects if you want to. And then you can even choose the printing options like face up, face down. You can see the preview how it looks. And then you can see other options as well. And you can put in add to document and attach files if you want to. And finally, after you've done everything, you can just tap on print. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.